morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my fellow traders. How are you guys doing this morning? Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Just like we do every day in the morning, we go through the economic calendar just to see what we'll be dealing with for the day. And yeah, so yeah, are they? Let me check. So I was saying, ICT, bro. What's up? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How you doing today? So before anything, as you all know, we get to the calendar. That is crazy. Before anything, get to the economic calendar. And what do we have for today? We got news. We got something today, at least. We got CAD news coming at 8:30. We got CPI coming, and then at 1 p.m. afternoon, we got GBP news. Whoever that is, Governor Bailey speaks. And also at evening, we got NZD. So it's gonna be, you got some interest rates, the rate statement there. So gonna have a busy day today. But so far I don't have anything on the dollar, don't have anything on the euro. It's just the GBP afternoon. So yeah, but surely CAD might be something to look at, especially if you're focusing on that USD CAD, or maybe the Euro CAD, or whatever it is. It might, might be interesting. It might be interesting. I'm short in German from 1870. I saw German shooting up. Actually, saw German shooting up just now this morning. I just saw German. Let's just go through German real quick to see what's really going on. I was actually bullish. Remember, guys, when we actually went long on this trade. We actually hit SL. I even forgot about this trade. You said you went short in German from 19. Jesus, is this where you went short? Wait, I think you have different prices. Probably have different prices. So yeah, we were short on. Oh yeah, we haven't hit SL actually. I thought we did. we went long on German yesterday, and then as you can see, price played up just a little bit, and then Asia session we just reversed, gave us lower prices from the AM session. PM and Asia just dropped a little bit lower and lower and lower, just kept dropping lower. And yeah, that's what we currently have on the German right now. As you can see, your midnight open there, previous day low is right there. So yeah, we took out previous day low, so prices is now just picking up pace. So if you say now SL, which broker are you using, bro? Are you probably looking at your MT4? If you're looking at your MT4, MT5, then yeah, I might have different prices to your MT5 because I'm using the Owanda. So when you're telling me prices, right, try to use the same chart that I'm using here so I can pinpoint which prices you're using exactly. Because if you're just looking at your MetaTrader, they have different prices, so you can call out, like you said, 1870 is down here, right? My 1870 is down here, somewhere there, right? 18700, that's where my price is, you know. So try as much to use prices that I have on my chart here with the Owanda one. So there's that. Just gonna quickly look at the dollar index, right? As you can see, prices are just tanking to the downside. Let's go straight to the dollar. What we have on the dollar is that I can see prices, obviously we took out the sell side there, and then we created another sell side down there, but price just kept pushing. This Thursday, Friday candlestick was a little bit weird. Look at this, giving some reversal signs, but the fact that we closed bullish and still took out previous day high, we already took out previous day high. So another question is, are we gonna drop lower, take out previous day low, or we're just gonna retrace 50% of the yesterday's candle, then give us more higher prices? As you can see there, we have that bullish order block, and then we're currently about to tap in the mean threshold of it. We might get higher prices, or we might just drop lower, close below, use it as a breakup block, and then give us more lower prices. So that is what just waiting for. Also, we have this order blocks here. I have this order block here. Prices might come to that, go to retest the mean threshold, and then use this order block as a bearish breakup block, then give us more lower prices. But we'll see how it actually plays out throughout the session. And so at the moment, I don't really know what I should expect on the dollar, right? Because looking at the dollar on the weekly, we have that order block there. Prices currently were in a premium for the week, right? But the question is, which draw and liquidity are we gonna take? Are we going for previous week high or previous week low? You know, that's the question. What's the next draw and liquidity? And I feel the strong this thing that we're gonna take out the previous week low, right? Obviously aiming for that 20 days low there. So that's what I have a feeling that that's what we might just do. We might just draw to the previous week low and then also aim for that 20 days low. And yeah, so with more bearish prices on the dollar index, it might actually not be good on the trade that, remember the swing trade that I said we should look at, should pay attention to. I updated y'all on the group, the NZD USD. So for this actually play out, we need higher prices on the dollar index. We need to see the dollar index go higher and higher and higher. But as you can see, currently we are in profits, playing around currently in around 17 pips. We managed to cover 30 pips. We managed to cover 30 pips, 32 pips there. And yeah, it actually played out last night. I mean, not really last night, during the New York session. As you can see, I wanted price to close below on the 1 hour, which we did, and then we went to retest that CB. As you can see, right after we filled in that CB there, prices just dropped and then just kept dropping. So I'm still expecting lower prices on the NZD, right? But given the fact that we do have some news coming today, it might be interesting. It'll be actually interesting, and yeah, it'll be very interesting during the OC session. It's gonna be interesting, but we're just gonna see how that actually plays out. Just gonna see how that actually plays out. So we said 18,770. Let's see that. Let me go to the I guess I don't know. You said you took a sell at 7. You took a sell somewhere here. You went short. I'm guessing you're still in profits if you went in somewhere here for a sell. You didn't get triggered with this movement up. And then yeah, what's your target? If that's your entry, what was your target? What was your target? I'm guessing yeah, as we filled in that order block, I mean that CB, market structure shift with the CB, and yeah, guess it went for the one higher, which there's a tiny order block there. Probably use that as a breaker block. As you can see, tapped in min threshold of it and then reversed. So yeah, if that's the thing, what's your target? If that was the trade that you actually took, what was your target? What is your target? 1:2. Somewhere here. Yeah. Dope. So I'm guessing, yeah, that's your. Oh, nice. Almost close to tapped. Almost got close. But I hope price doesn't just reverse for you, as we are actually holding longs, targeting that. So I hope, I don't know, whoever hits TP, hey, we'll see. Quickly go to the Euro USD, and looking at the daily. Yesterday I was actually expecting yeah, SL as my target. Yeah. Yesterday I was actually expecting prices to actually take out that buy side liquidity, you know, using this candlestick high, buy side, candlestick low, sell side. And then as you can see, it did pierce through, and then prices keep closing inside of this candlestick low. So I'm expecting buy side to actually be taken out, but yesterday it didn't do that. It gave us a bearish candlestick, but it took out that previous day low, and then we manipulated a little bit lower today during the Asia session. And then currently we're in bullish, currently in premium price, and I'm still actually expecting price to actually give us higher prices. I'm still expecting price to take out buy side liquidity. As you can see, that's the previous day high. That is the previous day high. Obviously you will see that marked when we go to the 15-minute channel chart. We got that previous day high there, and we didn't take out Asia low, which would have preferred to take out Asia low, then we consider taking a buy, but currently we took out Asia high, and price might actually drop to the Asia low. But just like yesterday, it's kind of not playing with my directional bias. Let's see if this actually market structure actually plays out, right? Let's just see if that market structure actually plays out, and then let's see if the trade would actually make sense targeting the Asia low. How many pips would actually around 10 pips if we enter at the market structure shift, around 10 pips, and then obviously risk about something like this. I'm guessing that is the previous day opening gap, or is it a new week opening gap? Oh yeah, it's the new week opening gap. So prices might do that. If prices go there, risk like 8% just in case it comes, and use that new week opening gap as a resistant to actually give us more lower prices. So yeah, I might actually consider taking this short term. As you can see, prices just closed, confirming our, and then as you can see, we do have that market structure shift out there. Looking at the daily, right? Looking at the daily, we're currently in premium for the day. But they're already taken out previous day low. So that's what concerns, to actually take a sell here. It's actually the concern, the fact that we are already in discount, and then as you can see, prices just tapped in. I think I might take this sell just to see how it actually plays out. A quick sell to Asia low, and a quick sell to Asia low. Bitcoin is tripping and giving entry. Yeah, we'll check that in a minute. We will check that in a minute. Actually, I'm considering taking the trade. And if it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. It is what it is. Target Asia low. SL should be above the new week opening gap. Almost the 1:1 ratio. Almost there. almost a 1:1 risk ratio. So that's the first trade of the session. It's about Bitcoin, right? Yeah, I saw it shooting up, honestly. Jesus Christ. Damn. This was nasty. This was nasty. Let's look at the, when did this madness from New York started pushing higher from New York? Yeah, I'm like, it didn't really give any. The only entry that you could have caught is looking at the daily, right? Is looking at the daily. Let me clean all of these. Is looking at the daily. Draw out your bullish order block. As you can see, prices respected that bullish order block, closed inside the bullish order block, and then you switch to your 1 hour. Switch to your 1 hour chart. Do we get any entries? Did we get any market structure shift around here? No market structure shift. Prices did come back to retest this tiny order block there. So bullish order block, that could have been the first entry. Did you get a market structure shift after that? There we got a market structure shift right there. Second entry. Then you got that. So yeah, that's the first entry. Using that bullish order block there, prices came back, hit it, and then went up, creating a market structure shift there with the BC. And then as you can see, prices went up and then came back to tap in that BC and then gave us higher prices. So those were two entries that could have been taken on Bitcoin. And obviously target, we got buy side liquidity up there. We got this buy side liquidity here too. So those are the next draw in liquidity, expecting price actually to go higher and take out those buy side liquidities. That's the next draw in liquidity. So yeah, that's the only chance, that's the only entries you could have got done there, is in that daily order block. And then looking for that 1 minute, 1 hour entry, market structure shift. And then there's gold. And then there's gold. We got that order block there. That might be the next draw in liquidity, but already taken out previous day low, so prices might actually go take out that, already taken out previous day low. And yeah, prices might actually give us more higher prices to take out previous day high. And then if you switch to the H4, as you can see, the same thing. Also have this price to got this low here. And yeah, it's a tough one on gold. It is a tough one I was actually expecting yesterday, I was expecting buy side to be taken out, but as you can see, price is just rejected off of here. Was this a H4 market structure shift? Yeah, there was actually a H4 market structure shift. Price is rejected off of that. More lower prices. Nasty stuff. But now that we have taken previous day low, I'm expecting more higher prices, honestly. Let's switch to the 15 minutes. Maybe if price can take out Asia low again, then give us more higher prices, but we're just gonna see how that actually plays out, honestly. Obviously gonna see if the DXY gives us what we need, and then obviously looking at the DXY, we took out Asia low, and next to liquidity is Asia high. I'm expecting that Asia high to be swept, and I'm obviously using this data, using this idea. We should also be expecting that Eurusd to actually give us more lower prices, to give us to hit Asia low. Let's look at the GBP is a stronger one compared to the Eurusd. I actually noticed that we forgot to go through that. I noticed that it's a little bit strong. Yeah, I noticed that the GBP is a little bit stronger, and Eurusd is seems to be a little bit weaker. There isn't really much big of a difference, but I noticed some weaker, that the Eurusd is a little bit weaker than the GBP. What are you guys looking at this session? What are you guys actually looking at this session? What is everybody looking at this session? And also, don't forget to like, don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribed as well. Don't forget to hit the like. Peeping gold. Yeah. Gold is a little bit uncertain right now. I like how we already took out Asia high and low on gbpjpy. Like, took out Asia high there. Did we get an entry? Let me see if we actually got an entry on gbpjpy this morning. Obviously after the Killzone. Nah, Killzone was there. Probably got it before the Killzone. Yeah. We got this. It was before the Killzone, but it confirmed after the Killzone. Yeah, we did get an entry, which did confirm in the Killzone, and then it just dropped. Sheesh. A whole 30 pips to Asia low. A whole 30 pips to Asia low. That was nasty. I was looking for sells in EU. Reason was SMT. Yeah, I'm guessing the SMT that you saw. Let me actually do this so we can try to identify the SMT on both. Yeah, I can see that the euro seems to be, I don't know, what's SMT? What time frame are you looking at? If I said we're looking at the SMT, what time frame are you peeping? Because I can see already on the 1 hour, right? On the 1 hour, I can see that confusing. ICT, yeah. Just send me a chart of your SMT. Just send me a chart of your SMT. Yeah, just send me a chart of him because I can see it's here. Eurusd seems to be weak while GBP is just fighting off. It's literally just fighting off, right? GBP is literally just making more highs. As you can see, when we opened on Sunday here, when we opened on Sunday, made a high there and then made a higher high, and then also almost went for that high, while the Eurusd is doing the opposite. It's just getting more lower prices. After we opened on Sunday, when we opened on Sunday, we made a high and then just making lower highs, just kept making lower highs. So yeah, it only makes sense if you're actually trying to short EURUSD than GBP USD, because like I said, EURUSD was giving me weaker vibes, showing me that, you know, it's a little bit more weaker than the GBP USD. That's why I just went straight with the EURUSD myself too. So yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Shiku, maybe I'm overthinking, but let me ask if gold is trying to switch bearish. I'm guessing you're on gold. I'm guessing you're on gold. It might go for Asia low. It might go for this low. It might go for this low. It might or might not. Might go for that low. But also remember this, the last candlestick down. Min threshold in it. Tap min threshold, it might reverse. But I don't know. At the moment, what do I have in gold? I honestly don't know what I'm expecting on gold, to be honest. I honestly don't know what I'm expecting on gold. Also, we have this order block here. We have this order block there. So yeah. But what am I expecting on gold? I have no idea. Sell side, are we coming again to take out this previous this Asia low? Yeah, probably. But at the moment, I don't know what to expect on gold, to be honest. I honestly don't know what to expect on gold. But yeah, that's the low I'm targeting on gold. Then look for buys. Dope. I'm guessing you're already in a sell. I'm guessing you're already in a sell on gold. If you say that's the low you're targeting, then yeah, switch from there. After any sell side sweep, you look for the opposite direction. That's what gold does. Sweeps liquidity. Might come for this liquidity here, then go for that Asia high, then come back, sweep another liquidity, then go for another high, another low, another high, another low. Innovation, good morning, brother. What's your take on GU? We were looking at GU and EU, right? Damn, EU already reversed all of that. We're looking at GU and EU, and why did Rose just flip? Now seems like GU is the weaker one. That is weird. But we were looking at EU and GU, so just because we saw the SMT on both, we just considered that EU is the weaker one, and GU is the stronger one. So we already on a sell on EU. I'm already on a sell on EU. The reason why is because, as you can see, if you're looking at the obviously 1 hour, like I just explained a few minutes ago, GU has been showing some stronger signs. After Sunday open, we created a high here, and then we went to create another high up there. Created this high, then went to create another high, and then it seems showing some signs that okay, it's a little bit strong. And then with the EU, it's been giving us lower prices ever since we opened Sunday. We opened here, we made a high, and then lower high, and then just keep making. We're not taking any highs, so now we just took out this high here, but showing signs that it's the weaker one. We got that SMT there, so that's why we actually looking at sells on the EU than the GU. So yeah, but overall I'm expecting sells too on the EU, on the GU. GBP USD, I'm also expecting sells to Asia low. That's what I'm expecting. Sells to the Asia low, still expecting that. I'm expecting sells to the Asia low, same as the Euro USD too, which seems like it's playing games right now. Let's see the dollar index. Maybe it might be because of the dollar, or just the euro itself. Yeah, it's probably just the euro. But yeah, I'm also looking for possible buys. German, but still waiting on equity open. Asia high swept. Asia high swept. What time is London equity open? What time is London equity open? Isn't it like 9 or something? Or like 3 a.m. New York time? What time is equity London? Yeah, fucking crazy. Wow, nice. Okay, it's fine. It's 8. Yeah, it's 8 a.m., which is GMT. Yeah, which is what time is it? 2 a.m. New York time. Is it 2 a.m.? No, 3 a.m. now. Like literally now, it just opened. Yeah, which is now. Which is 3 a.m. now. So, yeah. GMT. Yeah, Bitcoin just took off, honestly. Then gold, yeah, gold is weird, man. Gold is weird. I feel like finding the right time to trade gold is important. Knowing exactly when to trade gold, it's actually important, because you should know what price action you should be actually be engaging in is important, or else you'll just be swept. You always be swept buy side to sell side, which you won't actually like. There was a pair that I was actually paying attention to. I haven't really been updated the data on the USD CAD. AUD CAD 2 OZ, all of this I haven't updated. There was a pair that I was actually paying attention to, NZDJPY. Finally, we have a very close candle on a daily on the NZDJPY, because this thing has just been going up. And now that we've taken 20 days high, that buy side there, I have a feeling that we're gonna get some more lower prices. But the reason why I went with the NZD-USD is because of, like, looking at this, the yen seems like it's been very weak lately, and I don't want to mess with the yen right now. I only run to the yen if the dollar is too dangerous to trade. But right now the yen is just looking a little bit way too weak. So we might actually get some reversals here, to be honest. But once we start getting some microstructure shift on like H4 microstructure shift, I will actually consider looking at sells on the NZDJPY too. I'll consider looking at the sells on the NZDJPY because we are in premium, deep premium for the month. Right, we're in deep premium for the month. Look at that, we took out previous month high. We're in deep premium for the month. Let me just hide all of this. We're in deep premium for the month. And then look at how we opened. Prices went to retest this order block, bullish order block, and then from there, prices were just going up. We just tanking to the buy side, microstructure shift, or just using this order block here. Order block, min threshold of that weekly order block, then prices just went up. It's crazy. So yeah, I might consider actually looking at sells if you actually get some H4 microstructure shift to sell. If it keeps getting higher, I'll just leave it. But if you get some microstructure shift, you know, and then go back and retest, I'd consider taking sells, right? I'll consider taking sells. But if you don't get any microstructure shifts to the downside, I'm gonna leave you alone. I am gonna leave you alone. So that's what I have as the DJPY. How's the dollar index going? Yeah. So H4 auto block, still playing around that. We tapped the main threshold. So yeah, expecting higher prices on this, not lower prices, some higher prices to get what we need on the euro. Yeah. What are you guys looking at? What are you guys? Except Shiku said, are you in a gold sell? Are you in a gold sell? Are you in a gold sell? Alex, what are you on? Are you in any trade right now? Are you in any trade? What are you trading this session? Oh yeah, and yesterday on the, I actually took some L's on NAS, right? I actually took some L's on NAS on the 50k challenge. Yeah, the 100k I already passed. The 50k. I'm just watching gold until it gives me something for now. I'm not taking any trade. Okay, that's good. So I took some L's yesterday, reached my maximum daily loss, and the crazy part is I was just left with like 700 to actually pass. To actually pass this, but Nas did its things. I was actually trading Nasdaq, and then I wasn't even checking the chart. I just went in trade and left it. First entry hit SL, and second entry also hit SL. But I should pass this one too. As you can see, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. And then today's will be day 6. Should get something. Should get some. Should get some. So New York session, I will only be going live on New York session on Thursday. Yeah, I will only go live New York session on Thursday. Yeah, I'll only go live. I can't go live for Cat News. And Wednesday, it's late. It's the PM. So I'll only go live New York session on Thursday. Yeah. Looking for the NZD USD as it reached daily fair value gap, waiting for the reaction for possible buys. Yeah. Let's see that. Oh, the dollar index falling, which is not good for us. Which is not good for us. Okay, let's hide all of you. Yeah, we took out all these lows. Took out all these lows here. And yeah, we might be targeting high, but overall I'm still on sell. So you said you're waiting for it. It reached daily fair value gap. Oh yeah, this daily fair value gap here. And then waiting for a reaction for possible buy. So what's that reaction? Market structure shift, PC. What is that reaction that you're waiting for? What is it? The reaction you're waiting for? By any chance, were you selling NAS yesterday? Yeah, I was actually. I was actually trying to sell NAS. I got caught up in this noise. Wait. I got caught up in all this noise. I missed this buy entry here. I actually watched this print. I was still waiting for a confirmation. Jeez. I was still waiting for a retest into this, but prices just took off. I was waiting for a market structure shift to happen here, and then prices just took off to the upside. And then first entry was here. First entry was somewhere here since we took out buy side liquidity. Since we took out that buy side liquidity, this is the all-time high. That was the all-time high. And then I looked for an entry here. Sell, as you can see, SL hit. And then second entry, I don't remember the second entry. The second entry was, where was the second entry? I think it was somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. I tried to sell and then obviously got wiped out again. So yeah, I was actually trying to sell NAS yesterday. I I was trying to sell it. The crazy part, we reached, this is all-time highs in a while. I haven't reached all-time highs in a while. And yeah, and that was actually my first stream where we actually reached all-time highs while I was live. Wait, no, I wasn't streaming. I wasn't even streaming. I was probably just recording. That's why I thought I was streaming. Yeah, I was on hourly. I need a fair value gap into the daily, and then fair value gap out of the daily. You want a fair value gap, you need a fair value gap into the daily, then daily fair value gap out of the daily. You're out in EU. Damn, is it going crazy like that? Jesus Christ. I made sure that I put my stops above the new week opening gap, just in case prices actually use that as a where is that? Yeah, just place it right above. Right above that. Right above this. Kif, good morning, man. How are you? How are you? How are you? This is scary trade, and for obvious reasons. Like I said, on the daily, look at how it took out previous day lows. Well, there's that one standing there, but I don't think prices is gonna go for that. And then the next draw in liquidity might be that this buy side here, the previous day high, and that Thursday high there. We might be going for that. We'll just see how price, if price is stubborn, we'll see. But yeah, I made sure that new week opening gap, I don't put my SL there because prices might reject off of there. Okay, how you doing, man? GBP, ooh, also flying. It might be going for that previous day high. GBPUSD might be going for that previous day high. And then on the euro, the previous day high is just up there. It's way too far. It is way too far. It is way too far. And the GBP odd, okay, doing whatever it is doing. The German finally took out Asia high. The German finally took out that Asia high. Well, it did take it a long time ago. And then let's look at gold. Yeah, gold is looking a bit weird right now. Gold is looking a little bit weird. Yeah. Gold is, oh, yeah, yikes. So here's the problem here. Here's the problem. As long as you're gonna get lower prices on the dollar, our euro trade will still gonna go up. So we need to see more higher prices on the dollar. We took out previous day high. We might be going for previous day low. but we're also retracing back into the 50% of the daily. Currently in the 50% of the daily. Let's see how the dollar does after here. Like, a part of me thinks, feels like we might get lower prices, close below, come back and use this as a breakout block. Use that H4 as a breakout block. Close below, then come back, retest it, and then more lower prices. If we actually close below that order block. But what we might get. We might actually get that. And then the euro, currently in that new week opening gap. If it doesn't reject off of that, yeah, we are in trouble. If price don't reject off of that, we are in trouble. Let's make sure, guys, we get today's stream to at least 20 likes. Yesterday we failed to get it to 20 likes. Let's get it to 20 likes today, guys. How many likes are we on? How many likes are we on? 15, 16 likes. Let's make sure we get it to 20. So if you haven't liked, make sure you're liked and don't unlike by mistake. Let's get it to 20 likes every stream. See the break that's gonna make out of this now I'm actually interested in it. I wonder where we're gonna manipulate to, because now been accumulating, and then yeah, whatever manipulation you're gonna go into, I'm gonna trade the opposite. If you manipulate higher, the total soup. If you manipulate higher to total soup that, I'll look for a sell. Maybe to this order block here, right? That's if price go high and take out that buy side liquidity there, I'll look for a sell. And then if it does the opposite, if it goes, maybe take out that sell side there, manipulate lower, I'll look for a buy. Obviously targeting the buy side, right? If we go lower, I'll look for a buy, targeting the high side. So I'll actually be watching now as to what it does, and then if I get this setup, definitely gonna jump in. But whatever side we manipulate into, I'm gonna look for an entry of the opposite way. Waiting for that turtle soup to happen. Just waiting for that turtle soup. And then S&P looking a little bit weird. S&P seems to be weak as compared to NAS. As you can see, they accumulated there. And why I say weak, because this was Monday high, right? It failed to take out that Thursday high. While on NAS, we did take that Thursday high. So yeah, we got this SMT there. We got that SMT. We got that SMT there. You got done. So if it manipulates higher, that's nice. Let's take out that buy side liquidity. And we're still in the kill zone. So if it takes it now in the London kill zone, we might get our London turtle soup. Excuse me. Keith. Ellie. I'm not sure if I'm even pronouncing your name right. I'm just gonna say Eli. Ellie. Seems like you're behind with the stream, my guy. But I'm doing great. I am doing great. If you're answering that, I asked that like 20 minutes ago. But hey man, I'm glad you're good. Any trades taken yet? We're on EU sell. That's the only trade we took today. EU sell. We are on EU sell. Ellie is crazy. Man, KB, leave me alone. But yeah, The only trade we took is EURUSD this session. EURUSD sell. I'm correct, right? Yeah, EURUSD sell is the only trade we've taken. And look at how we're just rejecting off of that new week opening gap. Yesterday my gold trade was on the mark. Though, were you here on stream? We were looking at a buy, innit? Yeah, I think we were looking at a buy. And played out. Wow. I wanted it to take out buy side liquidity, to be honest. I wanted that buy side liquidity to be taken out. I wanted that buy side to be swept, then sell it off again. But it rejected off of this market structure shift here. On our market structure shift. And then came to take out sell side liquidity. Insane stuff. And then looks like it's rejecting off of now, giving us higher prices. It must do that. And then the NZD/USD, somebody said they wanted to sell or something. I mean, wanted to buy. We wanted to buy. Let's see if we have any market structure shift to the upside. If you're thinking of buying, I'm on a sell. I'm on a swing sell. So there isn't any proper market structure shift. Maybe this one. Is this nah, it's not what I would consider, but can also play out. But it's not a market structure shift I would take. So yeah. Bro, what indicator do you use for market sessions? You know, I get this question every day. I use it's not available for everyone. I think I don't even remember how I got this, but you have to like ask for permission. I think I asked for permission to use it, something like that. I don't remember. It was a long time, probably like a year ago. From this guy. Let's see if I honestly don't remember how I got it. But this is the indicator. And I can't even share it. I don't even know how to share it. The script is published closed source, but you may use it freely. You cannot modify it. How do I protected script? See, like, how do I share? That's the question. But yeah, if there was a way I know I can send a word, guys. I don't know how to do that. A report script is crazy. But yeah, if there was a way I knew how to share this, I would. But I don't know how. I do not know how. Let's see if we can get it from scripts. It's not even here. Published. Let's say ICT. See, he's not even. Yeah, they're not even here. Yeah, they're not even here. It is very helpful. It is very nice and helpful. Yeah, it is actually. It is actually. You can pinpoint your previous day high, previous day low, midnight open, you know. Even though I try as much not to use it and get used to doing everything by myself, get used to it, but yeah, it is actually. It is very helpful. Why isn't Eurusd is just playing games with us? Eurusd is just playing games. But I have a feeling we're just gonna go for higher prices. Look at this balance price range. Look at that. Got this balance price range, and then this was 50% off of it, didn't it? It rejected off of the 50%. Yeah, just a little bit lower to the 50%, and price is rejecting. So that might be not good for our trade. But man, we'll see. We'll see how this actually plays out. We'll see how this actually plays out. I'll actually see. And that dollar rejecting. I'm like, the only good sign that we need is the dollar giving us higher prices. We're actually looking at the NAS took out Asia high. NAS managed to find the balls to take out Asia high, but I want a deeper manipulation. I feel like it might still reject to give us more higher prices. Oof. It is going up. Gold is giving us higher prices. So if it confirms the 15-minute one, that'll be dope. Seems like we're getting higher prices on the wait. Seems like we're getting higher prices on the euro, and the new week opening gap doesn't seem like prices is rejecting off of the new week opening gap. Probably just gonna pierce through it, and the dollar index should be getting lower. Yeah. And then looking at the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, we have that microstructure shift to the downside there. Microstructure shift low, CB, prices rejecting. So it makes sense why the EURUSD is actually giving us higher prices right now. The gold going higher. The gold giving us higher prices. Yep, this is going higher. you can manipulate higher, that'd be great. Nas must do just that. Nas must just do that. Just keep going higher and higher. I feel like that buy side is a little bit far for London session, to be honest. That buy side up there is a little bit too far for London session. I think it might be too far for London session, but I know if it was New York, it's nothing. You can get there within a few minutes. But for London, it's a little bit too far. Let me just set some alarm if price get there on this one. Okay. Created an order block. This is gonna still go up. If that, see if this new week opening gap doesn't actually hold, because I can see it keeps holding them off. It keeps on holding. Right, it keeps on holding. But if it doesn't hold, if price goes up but close above, yeah, that might be it. That might be it. German is dropping. German is sheesh. Right after taking Asia high, lower prices, and NAS also failing to actually, well, they took Asia high, and then currently in an order block. I still have a feeling that we might still fetch more higher prices. And then gold is still there. I'm on a sell. German. On a sell on German. Are you on a sell on German? Influenced by equity open. Is it H1? Yeah. Might be going for that Asia low. But German is looking a little bit weird right now, to be honest. Too weird. But yeah. Dope. This one is playing with us. I feel like today EURUSD is just playing. I'm guessing NZD going a little bit lower. Wait, what the hell is happening? Oh, okay. It's actually going a little bit lower. EuroCAD. I haven't really traded this pairs in a while. EuroCAD and all that. USD CAD, I might be looking at this today. There's news, right? USD CAD, I'll be looking at it during the New York session to see what it might give, what we might get from the USD CAD. But the rest, yeah. I'll be back in a few minutes. Pyramid is going good. Yeah. So finally, you said you were selling it, right? Yeah, you should have hit TP by now. Should have hit TP. You should have hit TP on the German, on the German. Just rejecting off the new wave opening gap, but I'd still want more. Let's pierce down. Shouldn't just hang around there. This should just take off. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Is it reversing? That's nice. Excuse me. Nah, TP is. Oh, I'm guessing you pushed it lower because you said my SLS is your TP. So you pushed it lower. 16. No, it's just there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, where's my? Wait a minute. Oh, makes sense. Makes sense. I see. I thought it was there. Okay, here is dumping after taking me out. Nice. Yes, is the devil. It can be the devil at times. I guess. What's good morning, man? How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you doing? Got you. It's been long. What do you think of GU? Well, we're bearish. We're actually bearish on both EU and GU. We've been bearish from Asia, as you can see. But GU is so close to previous day high that I have a feeling it might just tap it for some weird reason. But bearish, yeah. We took EU because it was the weaker one. We took EU sells because EU is the weaker one and GU is the stronger one. Well, we're actually expecting sells, expecting price to sell to Asia low for both EU and GU. As you can see, currently holding EU sells 2 here, so yeah, that's that. There's a whole lot of things.
Everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, I did what I got when then Killzone. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla.
Sorry if it's too loud. Sorry if it's too loud.
Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow. 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 Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a key, body, bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fe, I'm a dead jugger there, fine, oh, bugger there, watch your love for like it, why not more there, your body, check it, go share it, yeah, imade, double see, kilo fe, why now, lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get already, I'm a make up my eye, I'm a need a gun, I go my eye, I'm a need a gun, maybe, but I'm money in there, do maybe don't go carry belly, do maybe, like one of me see, yeah, come see, yeah, baby, make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a key, body, bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it, check it, bong, 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 check it, fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this, so if I hear say want I go vex, Okini, navia, Okini baby, Okini
Yeah, I find what I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes.
Do I think you should hold it for to previous week low? I think you should take your partials. If you want to hold it to previous week low, take your partials, maybe 50% off, or even more, even 70% if you can. If you want to hold it to previous week low, take your partials now and leave the rest running and lock profits. I would recommend you do that if you want to hold. Now already 70% out. Yeah, then you can just hold, man. Just hold it. As long as you lock profits, honest, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. So this is the trade that we took yesterday, right? It's supposed to be a swing on the German. It did play out. We took it at this. It did play out, and I told people to break even, right? No, I told my VIP to actually break even on this trade. Let me check quick. Yeah, but this is the one that we took on the stream. Yeah, this was the trade. Wait a minute. Okay, this was actually the trade. As you can see, microstructure shift on a 1 hour, microstructure shift with a BC for obvious reasons, which I'll obviously go through that. And then target was actually that buy side liquidity. I was actually expecting price actually go up, hit that buy side, and yeah, but I was planning to actually hold this for like a day or two. And then as you can see what price did, insane. As you can see, price did reject off of that, gave us higher prices. As you can see, we went up and then we reversed. We did catch all of this, but as you can see, price came to actually hitting SL. And this wasn't even, it wasn't even 50% of our entry. Didn't even get to 50% of our entry between our entry and TP. So this was yesterday's trade, which I am gonna log actually. Looks like I got some people. Wait, which one is it? Yeah, that's the one. What was yesterday's 20? It was Monday. It was London, German. What was the entry? entry. We've been catching L's on stream. It's not even nice. Stop. I'm also saying it was a buy. I'm like, this trade at least gave us an opportunity to break even. It gave us an opportunity to actually break even. We don't even have a break even button, do we? Let's see. And make it gray. Apply to all. What the hell just happened? Oh. So now, do I log this as a break even? Because I didn't tell you guys to break even on this trade. I did not tell you guys to break even. Loss or break even? Loss or break even, guys? Loss or break even? How do we log? How do we log this? Because this was enough to break even. So, do we call it break even or loss? I did. Oh yeah, I did. On stream, yeah, I think I did. I don't remember. Probably did that on stream, but I don't remember. I said BE. Oh, okay. Did I tell you guys? Because I don't remember telling you guys to break even, honestly. Oh, yeah. ICT. You're right, actually. You're right. I said if Asia has taken BE, yeah, I actually did that. Yeah. I actually did that. Yeah, I remember that. Because it took it here. And then I said if Asia high is broken, you should break even. Yeah, I actually did that. I did. So yeah, yeah, I actually did tell you guys to break even. Let's make you. What is going on? Yeah, I remember on the stream I told you guys if Asia high is taken out, Shabazz say loss. Yeah. But yeah, I remember saying break even. Yeah, and it's tanking down. How's the EURUSD? Still in the same area. Let's look at the gold. How's gold doing? I'm tempted to actually take a buy here, honestly, on gold. I'm tempted to actually take this buy. I'm tempted to actually take this buy. Why am I buying? It's not a high probability market structure shift. 15 minutes, as you can see there, and then it's lower, and then we got a BC here. But let's go to a higher time frame. Nobody. Saying the same thing. Yeah, you've been waiting for that buy. You've been waiting for this buy. You've been waiting for the buy. You have been waiting for the buy. We took out previous day low. Took out previous day low, and then also tapped into the BC. So buys can only make sense, honestly, unless we're gonna go and take out Asia low to take another sell side, sweep sell side, then we reverse. But maybe use a 15-minute BC, right, and then switch to the 1 minute to look for that market structure shift. No, so if you get that, maybe that 1 minute market structure shift, I might consider taking a buy. Yes, I'm jaded. Yes, I'm jaded. But I'm tempted to actually take this buy. What would be the target? Asia high, of course. It has to be the target. And we do have an inversion here. On the 5 minute, we have that inversion there, which we almost tapped into it. Did I just? Yeah. We have that inversion. I'm tempted to actually take the buy. Let's see. It's below 50%. The OTE is done there. Now the question is, are we gonna get the OTE setup? Because we did tap below. Now we're in discount, right? But now are we gonna go down? Now we're gonna manipulate lower, right? Oh, just going for this inversion. Probably going for that inversion. Fair value gap there. We just tapped into that inversion. Fair value gap. Yeah, just tapped into the inversion, fair value gap. So if that don't hold, yeah. is going on? This is my trade. I'm gold. I know. Asia high and Asia low has been taken on NAS. That is nasty. Nasty. German is falling, innit? German is falling. Wait, oh, this is Bitcoin. I was surprised with the prices. I think I should do something like this. I should do something like this. Trade. Oh, it's here. Oh yeah, it's here. I want to put it where it's visible. Because I got a lot of questions. EURUSD, Sol, gold, buy. Make it simple. Yeah. Simple as that, innit? Simple as that. I know.
I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Night skies always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
Some people can think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the beat, niggas go. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash out, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't do facade. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it in me, you gon' do anything. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Drop that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on the beat, niggas go. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with your head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. If I hit the front and back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a message with her, take her back to my law. I've been up on it wild. And then they been begging for shit, style, yeah. Keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she riding. This nigga's all Killzone. Shot it on the drop, it look like a tempo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Drop that ass to the floor, bro. Yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Drop that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on the beat, niggas go. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with your head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
That's the shit I'm talking about, though. Like, you changed up. You don't even fucking link nobody no more.
Always felt like my vision being bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now.
If I remember correctly, you say you're gonna take one trade per day. Yeah, I said that. I know. I see trade. I know. Honestly, I feel like cutting this break even. I think we're just gonna break even on your USD. Honestly, I think we're just gonna break even here. I think we'll just break even on the USD. And yeah, price actually come back to entry, I might actually consider breaking even on the EURUSD. And yeah, because I'm up right now. Yeah, if EURUSD goes back to entry, I will break even. Definitely gonna break even if you go back to entry, because the way it's moving, I don't like the way it's moving. I don't like the way the euro is moving. H4 not looking good. So yeah, if price actually goes back to entry, I'm breaking even, guys. I am breaking even. DXY.
Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Going the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shashing up and that's my bro, my family. Frozen trades. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Look, I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a chef, now be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want baby, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want turn up.
Damn. Why is the dollar falling like that? Why is the dollar falling like that? Damn. Guess I didn't get a chance to even break even on this. What's my SL on gold? This low. This London low that we created. London. I'm like, you can take it all the way to be safe. Asia low. Right. You can take your SL to Asia low, but for me, I just got it on the London low. And then Eurusd, going for that SL. Didn't waste time. God damn. Nasty stuff. And then gbpusd should be going for the previous day high. Surprisingly not. Okay. But yeah. Yeah, Eurusd is done. Where's my phone? We hit SL on Euro. Let me just post a 5-minute chart. Nah, internet is show. Course. Tuesday. Seems you used SL on 8 pip, SL on Euro, not 10 pips. Well, the reason why, yeah, but the reason why, because I was looking at the new day opening gap, and if price break above, I don't think the trade for SL is still valid if price actually breaks above that, because I was looking at the new week opening gap, and the way I wanted price to actually respect that. That's why I just placed it above. Yeah, 10 pips is up there, but yeah, I was just looking at the new week opening gap, and yeah, if the new week opening gap is disrespected, yeah, might be something else. Not updating that P&L section. I've been saying, I know. Here's the thing with the indices, it's a bit tricky, honestly. It's a little bit tricky with the indices. With the indices, it's a little bit tricky. Yeah, with the indices is, yeah, but I'll try. I don't know, man. I'll try to update the indices points, because let me see. Because with indices, I'm used to, I don't want to use pips. I use a contract, right? But now that we're trading CFDs, it's a little bit different, right? If it was futures, it was gonna be simple, but now how do I calculate this? That's the question. How do I calculate this? Do we switch to pips or what? That's the tricky part with indices. With pairs, it's simple. That I've been updating, as you can see. I've been updating on pairs with the pips, right? But indices is another story. It's another story. It's another story. So yeah, last week has been wild, nasty, disgusting. Hold it up. Did you have a 10 pip stop? Did you have a 10 pip stop? Since you're asking about a 10 pip, did you have a 10 pip stop, or you're just asking about that? Did you have a 10 pip stop, or just 8-2? Oh, it was more than that. There's a pair of nodes, yeah. The only trade that I have for the day is this. Hold it up, are you still here? Were you in EURUSD? We reached. Nope. Oh, you're not in. Oh, okay. Wanted to sell too, but didn't see my model. I thought that's reasonable. That is a good reason why you shouldn't enter if you didn't see your model. I mean, like, the daily is looking interesting, honestly. Like, the daily is actually quite interesting. So now it might have been a prices broke low, we closed below this order block, right? This is interesting. We closed below this order block and then went back to retest it, using it as a breaker block. Bearish breaker block, using that as a breaker block, and then prices now is just reversing. So I have a feeling we might get more lower prices on this, because I was expecting buy side liquidity to be swept, but now that we broke lower and then this daily candlestick failed to close above the order block and rejected off of that, and then this one is also giving us bearish prices. This is might be the classic 2022 model, right? High that is breaking out, excuse me, buy side price has been taken out, buy side has been taken out, creating a new high, and then went lower, taking out that high, and then prices closed below the order block, and then went back into it, using it as a bearish breaker block. That block is insane. Using it as a breaker block, and then probably gonna get more lower prices. Probably gonna get more lower prices on this. So this actually makes sense. But the fact that yesterday's candle didn't close above this, yeah, that was the issue, to get more higher prices. But yeah, I actually see the long in 15-minute BC, but wasn't convinced enough about the entry setup it was creating. I'm guessing you're talking about EURUSD, because that's what we're talking about, unless you mean what's the long? Talking about this microstructure shift with a BC. Microstructure shift with a BC. Also, we have this inversion fair value gap right here. Also have that inversion fair value gap, and then yeah, I'm like, yeah, it actually made sense. And then if you're buying here, just target that new week opening gap, take some partials there. As you can see, prices rejected off of there just a little bit, and then now taking off again. But I really wanted that new week opening gap to hold, but now that we broke above, yeah, I'm no longer convinced that we might be bearish. We might take out the PM and the AM session high. That's where we might be going, and then probably go for that previous day high. We might be going for that previous day high, because the GU, I think, is very close to that. Honestly, GU is very close to the previous day high. It can take it. Yeah, that and that invalid fair value gap. Invalid. I'm guessing you mean inversion. Is it invalid or inversion? It's inversion fair value gap. High fair value gap. There's the inversion. Tapped into min threshold of the inversion, and then we went up. We took off to the upside. So yeah, that makes sense. This makes sense. And looking at the daily also makes sense. Why? We have that Thursday high, Thursday low. We broke the low. I was actually expecting yesterday to actually take out buy-side liquidity. I was expecting this to take out buy-side liquidity, but as you can see, we reversed and still closed inside the Thursday candlestick low. And then today we broke lower, taking out yesterday's high, and then so yeah, we might next join liquidity might be that buy-side. Might be that buy-side. It might be that buy-side. So yeah, makes sense. And then the gold, gold is still there. Gold is still there. And yeah, I think I've exhausted my ideas for the New York session. It's already 5. We're already outside the kill zone. We are outside the kill zone. This is nice. We are outside the kill zone. So I think I've exhausted. Do you guys have anything you want me to look at before the stream? But before that, as always, let's loosen up. Let's loosen up. Let's loosen up our brains. What's the word of the day? 5-letter word of the day. Five-letter word of the day. What is it? Profit. Okay, that's cool. It's not profit. It can be profit. What's wrong with you? It's not a 5 letters. I don't even know why I didn't count that. What's the word of the day? What's the word of the day, guys? Word of the day. Might as well be losses because we took losses. What's happening? That's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Losses. Might as well be this because we did take L's today. Oh my days. What's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? What's the first pick? How about we try actually let's try losses. Right. What a waste. What a waste. Okay, so O, it can be world. Reason why being world, because I already got an idea here. O is in the letter, but it can be the second letter. And world, it will make O the second letter. So any word that has a O. Any word that has a O, right? Any word that has a O. Point, it can be point too, because O is the second letter and it can be the second letter in this word. So point is already ruled out. And L, it does not. I wanted to try troll, but L is not in the letter too. I can't even say joint because also it's O is a second letter. So I can try that. Isa, what's going on? Ovary. That's interesting, actually. I'm gonna try this. Damn. Yeah, it can't start. Yeah. O definitely cannot start. The gray letters are not in the word. The yellow ones are there, but they're not in the right rotation. They're not in the right position. Okay. What's the word, guys? What's the word? What is the word? Let's see. What's the word, guys? What's the word? I'll give you guys time to think about. Parrot. Is that a word? Parrot. Well, it can't be. It can't be that because parrot has a A, and the word shouldn't contain A. The word doesn't contain A, as you can see. A here, it's gray, so, and R also is not there, so already we got two grays back. Yeah, so yeah, how many of you guys watching? You guys never, what's wrong with you guys? Just give us a word. Or are you still cracking your skull? Are you still cracking? Let me see. Yeah, it's 11 of you guys watching. O should be at least on the third, might even be last. The word should start with which letter? We don't know yet. We don't know. Yet we don't know. But all we know, it contains O. The word contains O, and it doesn't contain any of the gray letters here. If it's gray, the letter doesn't contain that letter at all. Like, it's not there at all. But seems like O, the word contains O, but we don't know where O should be. So yeah. What can that be? What can that be? What can that be? What can that be? This is market conditions, you don't want to trade, right? Mr. Ed, try about. See which letter is green. Already I know A will be out of the picture, right? And then we have B, maybe. O, maybe. And then what's next? U and T. Yeah. 0 is a 4 letter, isn't it? 0 4 letter. 0 is 4 letters, so it can't be here. They're saying I should try about, even though there's about, well, it's only one letter that let's try about and see if crazy. Yeah, that's the luck, Mr. Ed. No way. We got 3 chances left. We got 3 chances left. We got 3 chances left. And Mr. Ed, it can be crazy because already A is not there. OVET. It can be OVET too because O is not the, it can be the first letter. And E also already, it's taken out. R is already taken out. T it's already taken out. So, and V already too. So already we're gonna get, oh, crazy day. It is a crazy day today. It's a crazy, wild day. But yeah, so this word has a O, so I'm guessing O has to be, at least maybe it has to be the last one or maybe the third one. O has to be here or last. But which 5-letter word has O as the? That's crazy. It's crazy that we only got O as only got O. Yeah, today is a crazy day indeed. Today is a wild day. Catching L's everywhere. Literally. Yeah, look at the Eurusd, right? The fact that GBP should be yeah, it's refusing to actually take out that previous day high. But the fact that that's the reason why I was paying attention to that new week opening gap. Because once we break above, it's chai. We're just gonna keep going up. So that's why I was paying attention to that new week opening gap. And gold still holding up there. Gold is still holding. So yeah. What is the letter? Let's see. This is crazy. Like there's so many letters that I'm thinking about, but they're not in the word, which makes it more crazy. That is crazy. Guys, crack your skulls. This one is cracking my skull. Oh no, it's not. It can be. It can be pilot, right? I mean, like O. We haven't tried P. We haven't tried I. We tried L. It's not in the letter too. But O might be Eurusd. Well, it can be Eurusd because the letter doesn't contain S, as you can see there. It doesn't contain E. It doesn't contain S. It doesn't contain. So the only idea that we might get out of this is from the H. From the H. Literally H. That's it. The only thing that we're gonna be looking for is if the word has H. H, because the rest are not here except O. So it can be heroes. It can be heroes. Maybe the idea that we might get is that O is here. But there's a lot of clues to waste. There's a whole lot of ideas to waste. There's a whole lot of ideas to waste. The DXY is doing what I didn't want it to do, giving us lower prices, and I'm like, only have an hour left. We only have an hour and a 30-minute left for the H4 to close, and then if it closes below, it might go back, retest that, and then give us more lower prices. That's just Bitcoin and wasting no time, innit? It's still going up. It is still going up. But yeah. Okay. it. I wanted to try this. Right, demon. D, not there, but I know E is not in the letter. M, we haven't tested. O and N. So we know that E is not in the letter, but we'll be testing if O is here or the last word, and also if N, and also if D is in the letter. So I don't know if I should try this. I should try this and see, and then we'll be left with two choices. So it starts with the D and the last letter is O. From this idea, the word starts with the D and the last letter is O, and it has N in it. No, it starts with the D. The word starts with the word starts with the D. So we already got that. And the last letter is O. That is crazy. And it has an N. How about, but T is not there and E is not there. Yeah. I almost said Diplo. But yeah. Hold it up, it can be Widow. Starts with the D. Let's work around that. The word starts with the D, ends with the O. Starts with the D, ends with the O. Disco. That sounds like a good try, but obviously if it's disco, right? Yeah, well, we already know that O is the last word, right? And we haven't tried I, but we know that S is not in the word at all, right? We know that S is not in the word at all. And then C we haven't tried, so we'll just be trying I and C if they're in the word I and C. We'll be trying I and C. So the question is, should I try this and then I'll only be left with one try? If I try this, we'll only be left with one try, right? It can't be bingo because the word has to start with a D. ICT trader. It has to start with a D. The word has to start with a D. Dingo. That sounds interesting. Let's see. Yeah, all of these letters are not tried yet. N haven't tried, G we haven't tried, O we know it's the last one. So this is a good try. So I'm gonna go ahead and Mr. Ed yet again coming to save us. Coming to save us. Yeah. Let's go. So dingo was the word. W's in the shots. W's in the shots. W's in the shots. Let's see if we got. Let's clap hands. Let's clap hands for Holadapo. I mean, Mr. Ed, sorry. Let's clap hands for him. Let's just. That is beautiful.
All right. Yes.
Crazy. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah. Let's go. So that was it. Here, goal, definitely update this on the Telegram channel, and we'll definitely go through the trades tomorrow morning, whether it hit SR, but either way I'm still gonna update in the Telegram channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. That's pretty much what I have for the session. And then NAS, I'll actually pay attention. I'll actually be watching NAS during the New York session, of course. I would actually like to see NAS take out that sell side there. If you can come and sweep that sell side, that'd be great. That would be great. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for me. That is it for me. Oh yeah, NZD USD, how are we going? Still playing there. So also we still have that long that's in profit so far. So we'll see. We'll be watching this the whole week. So yeah, we'll be watching this the whole week. So yeah guys, I guess that is it for the stream. Let me close it with this. Let me close the stream with this right here. Let me close the stream with this.
Dead people. On that beat, go.
Hey, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw, man down, call like Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, Nella nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck.
I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the next stream. Peace.
I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck him up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch, ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches, go. The audience not dumb, shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep, I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something? P-Rest, that's for bitchin'. You Malibu most wanted, ain't no law boy, you ball boy. Fish Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie, be flipped over your boxes, or over your foe. The other vaginal option, pussy. Nigga better straighten they posture. Got favors all up in contact. Might write this with a doctor. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident. I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fucked on Wayne Grow. He was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home. Y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central. Nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me. I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie. He a 69 God, ayy. Freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside, ayy. Roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod, ayy. City is back up, it's a must, we outside, ayy. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. Let me break it down for you, this the real nigga challenge. You caught Future when you didn't see the club. Ay, what? Lil' baby help you get your lingo up. What? 21 get your first street cred. Thug make you feel like you a slime in your head. Ay, what? Quavo said you can be from Northside. What? 2 Chainz say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you not a colleague, you a fucking colonizer. The family matter and the truth of the matter. Here was God's plan to show y'all the liar. He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a fan, he a fan, he a freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Let me hear you say OV ho. OV ho. Say OV ho. OV ho. Then step this way. Step that way, then step this way, step that way. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way, then step this way, step that way.